Good morning, students. Today we are with yet another topic of grammar, that is conjunctions. But those who have traveled by train, when you see or read the name of a station, some places it's written there junction. That junction is a joining place. With reference to the railway station, it is called junction because it is the joining place. Now, joining place in what sense? From that station there may be trains for several other places. That is why that place is called that particular station is known as junction. So with that reference, we will start with our topic conjunction. Junctions here is similar in sense I talked about railway junction or the station as a junction. They are called joining words in grammar. Not the joining station or not the station which will join several other places or which has several other routes to other places, but conjunction here means the joining word. When you read, you may come across certain words which show or which imply or which denote that the word is joining two different something. That two different something could be two people, could be two objects, could be two things, could be two places, anything two or more than two also. Sometimes it may be totally two different sentences. And that is how we get our definition of conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words or sentences. What I have underlined here has been written in color here. So conjunctions are joining words. In your book, for joining words to be used to join a sentence are only 4. That is and, but, or, because. But there are good number of conjunctions in grammar. The higher classes you will reach, the more you will learn about them. So here the chapter will deal, or my explanation will be about how and where to use the word and, but, or, because as a joining word. And with that you will be having certain exercises, I think 2 are there, which show you the highlighted words that have been used as joining words or conjunctions, and you have to focus for these sentences how they have been used and why they have been used. Got it? So for these parts where I have written focus on the usage, you have to read the sentences 2-3 times and make out why and how they particular word or particular conjunction has been used. Let me give you one example how you will focus on these sentences. I waited for him until he came back. अब आपने यहाँ पे क्या बताना है? जब तक वो नहीं आया. तो the conjunction to be used is until. And suppose there was 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock the time, then the conjunction to be used was till. ठीक है, तो लर्न क्या करना है? अगर क्लॉक टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग आपकी कोई कंडीशन है तो आप टिल यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर कोई कंडीशन है जो पूरी होगी तभी वो काम करना है पहले वाला, देन यू विल यूज अनटिल. गॉट इट? If your word or 2 sentences are being joined by until means you are telling a condition, and if till has been used for one action, then it will be used only when clock time is given, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that. ठीक है बेटा, अभी के लिए इतना ही आपने इस क्लास में फोकस करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना. यू विल रीड दीज सेंटेंसेज एंड सी हाउ दे हैव बीन यूज्ड एंड व्हाई दे हैव बीन यूज्ड, व्हाट मीनिंग इज टू बी कन्वेड यूजिंग द पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स. सेम इज द केस हियर. For C question also, you are supposed to underline the joining word, that is conjunction, and what will be the next step? See how the word has been used and why it has been used. See, would you like to have tea or coffee? Which 2 words have been joined? Tea or coffee I can make out, and the word which has been used to join it is or. So you have to remember that. अब इसमें से क्या निकलता है मीनिंग कि whenever you are giving a choice, you will use the conjunction or. ठीक है. आई वुड प्रेफर कॉफ़ी इफ़ इट इज़ अवेलेबल. अगर कॉफ़ी है तो मैं वो पीऊँगा. सो विच वर्ड इज़ जॉइनिंग टू डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस? दैट इज़ इफ़. सो हियर व्हाट यू कैन इन्फर द मीनिंग. इफ़ इज़ अ कंडीशन टेलिंग कंजंक्शन. अगर आप कंडीशन लगा रहे हैं तो आप क्या यूज़ करेंगे? इफ़. इसका हिंदी में क्या होता है? अगर. क्या वर्ड होता है? अगर. So you will do it accordingly and focus how and why it has been used. And I told you in the beginning, 4 main conjunctions have to be explained in this particular chapter or in this particular standard also. Had it been real class teaching, we would have done more. So considering the situation, I will be taking up only the 4 which are given here in your book. And is a joining word. And what does it join? It will join two similar things. It can be people, it can be objects, it can be places, but two similar. ठीक है. See, Meera and Saloni danced. Meera and Saloni are people. You are polite, you are honest. Polite and honest are adjectives. Amjad is going, I am going. Amjad and I are, one is a noun and one is a pronoun. So and is used to join what? Two proper nouns, two adjectives, a noun and a pronoun, and it could be many more. I can join two verbs also. I can join two adverbs also. Slowly and steadily the tortoise won the race. Slowly and steadily both are adverbs. So and is used to join similar parts of speech. Or when you want to put together two similar things, it could be any name, place, person, verb, anything, then you will use and. See, it's written, we can use, I have written here D1, we can use and to join either the same parts of speech or a noun and a pronoun. लेकिन हम एक noun और verb को नहीं जोड़ सकते बच्चे, एक noun और adjective को नहीं जोड़ सकते. We can join same parts of speech, means two verbs, two nouns, two adjectives, two pronouns, और different होगा तो क्या होगा? एक noun और एक pronoun. But there is one more use of and. Short sentences are joined with and. Look here, she sat at the table, she wrote the application. Now two different things are there. One, in first sentence she did the action of sitting, and in the second sentence she did the action of writing. So we are joining two verbs here. She sat at the table and wrote the application. So here come two use of adverb and conjunction. First, to join similar parts of speech, same parts of speech, and in case it has to be different, it will be at the most a noun and a pronoun. And the second use of and is to make to join two sentences which are similar. Similar in what sense? Same तो नहीं है, लेकिन वो दोनों एक्शन क्या हुए? साथ साथ हुए. So there we have used and to join both the sentences. Another thing, children, what you will remember when you have to do the exercise, we do not repeat. Most of the time we do not repeat the words when we use a conjunction. फंक्शन क्या होता है बेटे कंजंक्शन का? क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? सो दैट वी कैन कट शॉर्ट आवर सेंटेंस. लेट मी गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम हियर. My brother stood first, my brother won a prize. My brother stood first, my brother won a prize. Now here common thing is my brother. So this won't be repeated. What will be the answer? My brother stood first. I'm joining two verbs here. देखो stood first मतलब और one मतलब जीतना, दोनों क्या हैं? हमारी verbs हैं. Stood first and won नहीं बोलते, won a prize. Got it? So we avoid repetition of words. सेम वर्ड्स को रिपीट नहीं करते मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, प्रोवाइडेड द मीनिंग शुड नॉट चेंज. कुछ एब्रप्ट नहीं लगना चाहिए. वी अवॉइड द रेपिटेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हेन वी यूज कंजंक्शंस. दिस यू मस्ट रिमेंबर. इट्स नोवेयर रिटन इन योर बुक. नेक्स्ट कम्स यूज ऑफ बट. बट क्या होता है बेटा हिंदी में? लेकिन. तो अगर आप हिंदी में कोई भी सेंटेंस लेकिन को करके बोलें तो आपको पता चलेगा एक सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव है तो दूसरा नेगेटिव है. मीन्स एक राइट है तो दूसरा रॉन्ग है, या दोनों ही बिल्कुल अलग अलग हैं. सो हियर कम्स द यूज ऑफ दिस बट whenever you are talking about two opposites. That two opposite could be anything, a situation, a condition, a quality, anything. Then we use but. For example, I cannot say he is rich and he is rich and is happy. I cannot say. बोलना क्या चाहते हैं हम कि वो not happy, unhappy. She is rich, she is unhappy. Or she is rich, let me take like this, forget the first sentence. Just imagine she is poor, she is happy. अब poor होना और happy होना दोनों ही opposite situation है. बहुत कम होता है कि गरीब लोग खुश हों, लेकिन क्योंकि ये opposite sentences हैं, so and I have to join and make one sentence. My sentence will read like this: he is poor but happy. ऐसे ही she is rich, she is unhappy. अब जो rich होगा कौन उम्मीद करता है, who expects के they will be unhappy, but the situation is like this. So it is an opposite situation and the word which will be used to join such an opposite sentence will be but. Conjunction which we will be using for joining the opposites will be but. And as I said, this opposite could be a situation, could be a condition, and could be a quality or anything. Same way, the accident was serious, she was not hurt. Now, if the accident was serious, तो चोट तो लगनी चाहिए थी, but क्या हुआ? चोट नहीं लगी. So two opposite situations are there. So I will put the sentence: the accident was serious, but she was not hurt. I hope you understood. Let's see one question from here. It is a small school, it has all the facilities. अब एक छोटे स्कूल में सारी facilities, two opposite sentences, two opposite situations. So what I will write? It is a small school but. अब इट को हम रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. मैंने आपसे क्या कहा? रेपिटेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स अवॉइड करते हैं. प्रोवाइडेड मीनिंग शुड नॉट चेंज. इट इज़ अ स्मॉल स्कूल बट हैज़ ऑल the facilities. Next comes the use of or. As I've written here, it is a choice giving conjunction. So very simple. Whenever you are giving a choice, it's written there. We use or as a conjunction whenever there is a choice. Would you like to take tea or a cold drink? Do not make noise or leave the room. Got it? So choice, whenever you are offering, whenever you are giving a choice, whenever option is there, we use or. Again, the rule is that avoid the use of repeated words. Do you want to go out? Do you want to take rest? Now, how many words are repeated? Do you want? And to also. Sometimes these prepositions are repeated and sometimes not. टू preposition है बेटा. ठीक है. Let's see. Do you want to go out? Do you want to take rest? So what will be my answer? Do you want to go out or take rest? ठीक है. And question mark is important. Keep the milk in the refrigerator. It will turn sour. Sour means खराब हो जाएगा, फट जाएगा, खट्टा हो जाएगा. Keep the milk in the refrigerator or it will turn sour. It use करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ milk है, एक noun है, यहाँ pronoun है, no problem. Keep the milk in the refrigerator or it will turn sour. Next comes because. दिस इज़ द ईजिएस्ट ऑफ ऑल. इसमें कुछ ध्यान नहीं रखना होता है बच्चे. इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ है विच इज़ द राइट प्लेस टू फिक्स इट. एंड राइट प्लेस ऑल्सो इन योर क्लास इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू. जहाँ पे आपका फर्स्ट सेंटेंस खत्म हो रहा है वहीं आप इसको प्लेस कर दीजिए. सी हियर, ही हैज़ नॉट come to play. He is preparing for a test. He has not come to play because he is preparing for a test. इसमें repetition का भी कोई ध्यान नहीं रखना होता. We write this word sentence simply as it is. by placing the preposition, the conjunction in between. She is popular, she is friendly and helpful. She is popular because she is friendly and helpful. I hope you got it. It is very easy. There is not much to explain. Only you have to remember that it is a reason giving conjunction. जहाँ भी आपको why का आंसर देना होता है, we use the word because. ठीक है? So next comes the L part. Point, you can say the use of a conjunction depends upon what we want to say. So first you have to analyze the sentence, what you want to convey, means आप बताना क्या चाहते हैं. Based on that you will make the choice of preposition also, and it was the sentence written in preposition also. What you want to convey, based on that make the use of preposition. Same way, what you want to convey, what you want to मेक द अदर पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड. क्या आप रीज़न देना चाहते हैं, क्या आप चॉइस देना चाहते हैं, क्या आप चीज़ों को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, मीन्स इकट्ठा रखना चाहते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू विल मेक द चॉइस ऑफ सूटेबल कंजंक्शन. सो आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल फॉर द टॉपिक. दिस इज वॉट इज गिवन इन योर बुक. इफ द सेम टॉपिक इज देयर इन योर सनशाइन बुक, दैट विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय Anu ma'am, but from the grammar book you will get only these 3-4 joining sentences related conjunctions, and the rest which I told you. Please be particular about how they have been used. For this particular question you have to read the parts where I wrote focus on the usage, where I wrote focus on, sorry, this is preposition, there focus on the usage. Then only you will be able to do the fill up parts. That's all children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please take up the exercise part as soon as you can, so that the topic, the understanding, the rules do not go waste. If you have taken up the topic today, now during class hours, please do the exercise by the evening. Do not delay. Thank you. Have a nice day.